let's unbox one of my bags from my vault service that I've told you guys about. We're bringing back one of my oldies, one of my goodies. Quick unboxing, return of a bag that's been in storage in one of my vault services, okay? And I'll talk a little bit about the service. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of this vault bag service. We're doing a quick unboxing of one of my bags that I already have, that you've already seen, but I brought it back from storage, from the vault to use because I'm getting a little Birkin fatigue. And I want to use some of my other bags that are not Hermes because I have done and they just sit there. So we're gonna unbox and talk about it. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? So as you guys know, I have a lot of bags and I keep a lot of them in storage now. I don't keep anything at home. I keep a few at my home, I keep a few at my other place, I keep a few abroad, and then I keep some in storage, and I have a few storage units, different tiers of storage units. Regular storage unit for my regular bags, high vault security storage that I can access myself, and then high vault security that's not, that I can't go to, that has to be sent back to me. So the one that's the high vault near me is, not near me, but it's nearby. I have to drive to go get it, like it's an hour drive, but it keeps everything in like temperature controlled nicely, blah, 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 access codes, fingerprints, yada, yada. But then there's another service that keeps it, it's the same kind of service, same kind of storage, but it's just not, I can't get to it. I have to fly to go get to it. So I have them, they can ship it back and forth, and they ship it all nice in this packaging, protected. And then I can ship things back to them too. So, and they keep it in nicely for me. Each bag has its own little thingy. And so I asked for one of my bags back. So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna unbox it real quick. And then I'm gonna ship some of my Birkins away because I need a Birkin break. I don't even have them all here, obviously. I have the three that I use on a regular basis. Okay, so this place is like Fort Knox. You can't get in there, you can't access it. Only they are allowed, so but you can have everything shipped to you and from whenever you want, overnighted and stuff like that. But you can never, like, you can't go there, no one else can go there except for the people that work there, which makes it really safe and secure. And look, they package it so nicely so nothing gets damaged, and it's like literally as if it was new, right? So as we know, something I don't use as much, but I still do like. I do like this bag. I do have some qualms with it, which is why I don't use it as much because it has some flaws. It's all packed like as if it was brand new. Exactly how I gave it to them, right? Because as you guys know, I like to keep everything in perfect condition. This is my Goyard Saigon in the black and tan, which I got a few years ago, which I'm sure you guys have seen. I used it for a little bit and then I got tired of it because I got like 3 of them. No, 4, because I have the pink one too. 1 limited, 3 non-limited. But yeah, I thought I would just take it out for a spin, send some other bags away because I'm getting a little tired. It's a cute little munchkin, fits a lot, stores a lot. I have a few qualms with the design, but I thought I would just take it out for a spin and use it for a little bit for a couple of going out things. I like the service, it's expensive, but they keep everything safe and it's secure. So I have a little bit of peace of mind because the more I post, the more I talk about my stuff, the little paranoid I get every day and worried. And also I just don't want to have any kind of worry or like anything bad happen, put myself or my family in any danger or less danger. That's because there's always still the chance, right? But like, I don't want to keep anything here, or very few things, just what I'm using. Everything else goes to either one of the 3 storage units, and then there's stuff that's not here, that's at my other places. It makes me feel a little more safe. And I love it. Like I said, it is expensive. The other storage unit that's like an hour away with like the fingerprints and vault stuff, the fingerprints and like high security and like that, temperature controlled, all those things, still is really, makes me feel secure because it's close enough that I can go get something if I want to, but it's also like not close enough to me and like feels very safe and impenetrable, and that I can get whenever. This one obviously I can't go in person and I can't just go right away, but it does ship overnight, like I said, so I can get it the next day, and anything I want to ship I can ship out. The shipping is free and included overnight, and they keep everything and they send me photos of how it is, where it is. Okay, yeah, that's all I got. Hope that was interesting and helpful and exciting. If you like this kind of content, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.